Crash course on India. India, a land of diverse cultures, traditions, and culinary delights, is a country that captivates visitors with its rich heritage and vibrant festivities. Let's delve into the essence of this incredible nation and explore its local cuisine, cultural festivals, and traditions that leave an everlasting impression on anyone fortunate enough to experience them. Local cuisine. Indian cuisine is a tapestry of flavors, spices, and regional specialties. From the north to the south, and east to west, each region boasts its unique dishes that reflect their history and geography. Some traditional Indian dishes to savor include 1. Butter chicken, North India, a creamy and tangy chicken curry served with buttery naan bread. 2. Dosa, South India, a thin, crispy rice pancake typically served with coconut chutney and sambar, a lentil-based soup. 3. Biryani, Hyderabad, fragrant rice cooked with tender meat, aromatic spices, and saffron. 4. Chaat, street food, a delicious assortment of savory snacks like pani puri, sev puri, and bhel puri, bursting with different flavors and textures. 5. Rogan Josh, Kashmir, a flavorful lamb curry prepared with aromatic spices. Cultural festivals and traditions. India is a land of celebrations, with numerous festivals showcasing the country's cultural diversity and religious harmony. Some of the most vibrant festivals include 1. Diwali, the festival of light symbolizing the triumph of light over darkness, celebrated with colorful rangolis, lamps, and fireworks. 2. Holi, the festival of colors, where people play with vibrant hues and enjoy singing and dancing. 3. Navratri, a 9-night festival celebrating the triumph of good over evil, with traditional dances like Garba and Dandiya. 4. Eid, celebrated by the Muslim community with prayers, feasts, and charity. 5. Ganesh Chaturthi, honoring the elephant-headed deity Lord Ganesha with elaborate processions and idol immersions. ****, interesting story. ***, during Diwali, the tale of Lord Rama's return from exile and his victory over Ravana is reenacted with grand performances and plays. The enthusiasm and energy of the people during these festivities are truly infectious. Top 12 attractions of local cuisine, cultural festivals, and traditions in India. 1. Taj Mahal, Agra, the iconic marble mausoleum, a symbol of eternal love and one of the 7 wonders of the world. 2. Varanasi, a sacred city on the banks of the Ganges River, known for its spiritual atmosphere and Ganga Aarti ceremony. 3. Jaipur, the vibrant pink city with majestic palaces, forts, and bustling bazaars. 4. Kerala backwaters, serene, picturesque waterways flanked by coconut trees and dotted with houseboats. 5. Run of Kutch, Gujarat, a mesmerizing salt desert hosting the Ran Utsav, a cultural extravaganza. 6. Goa, famous for its beautiful beaches, vibrant nightlife, and Portuguese heritage. 7. Amritsar, home to the Golden Temple, the spiritual and cultural center of Sikhism. 8. Jaisalmer, a desert city with golden sandstone architecture and camel safaris. 9. Khajuraho Temples, Madhya Pradesh, UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its stunning erotic sculptures. 10. Mysore Palace, Karnataka, a grand palace showcasing Indo-Saracenic architecture. 11. Kumbh Mela, Haridwar, Prayagraj, the largest religious gathering on earth, held every 12 years. 12. Pushkar Camel Fair, Rajasthan, a lively fair that blends livestock trading, cultural events, and religious significance. Summarizing the diverse and enchanting facets of India's local cuisine, cultural festivals, and traditions, we find ourselves immersed in a kaleidoscope of flavors, colors, and experiences. From the savory dishes that tantalize the taste buds to the jubilant celebrations that bring people together, India offers a profound and unforgettable journey. Poem. In India's land, where colors dance. A symphony of flavors, a true romance. From north to south, east to west. A culinary journey, we're blessed. Butter chicken, a creamy delight. Dosa's crispiness, a true sight. Biryani's fragrance fills the air. Chaat's flavors, beyond compare. Diwali's lights, a joyful show. Holi's colors, they come and go. Navratri's dance, a vibrant hue. Eid's prayers, for hearts anew. Ganesh Chaturthi, a grand parade. with idols carried and love displayed. Taj Mahal stands, a love's embrace, a testament of time and grace. Varanasi's Gangas, sacred and pure. Jaipur's palaces, tales endure. Kerala's backwaters, tranquil and vast. Run of Kutch, a desert blast. In Goa's beaches, sunsets gleam. Amritsar's golden temple, a spiritual dream. Jaisalmer's dunes, enchant the sight. Khajuraho's art, a sheer delight. Mysore's palace, royal and grand. Kumbh Mela, faith's endless band. Pushkar's fair, camels roam. India's charm, a journey to call home. This land of wonders, a treasure trove. A cultural tapestry, it behoves. With each moment, a memory blooms. In India's heart, the world finds rooms. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. Asterisk, asterisk, asterisk.